Now, I might be a little bit biased, but New York has the Finger Lakes region, which literally has thousands of waterfalls. And when I go to someplace like Asheville, North Carolina, and I see people that are so thrilled to see a waterfall. I mean, this is a waterfall not 1,000 feet off the road, and it has a parking area for 20 or 30 people, and there's nobody here. I hear voices up on top, so maybe there's campers up on top. This is part of the Finger Lakes Trail, which is now called the North Country Trail. But you can see the falls goes over this inside area, and you can walk behind the falls. That's about 25 feet behind the falls. And it's you can see the rocks they've put up for guardrails, tell people to stay behind the rocks. Because you can stand down here and take a shower. It's pretty nice. This is called Tinker Falls on Route 91, just north of Truxton, New York. Just south of Syracuse, New York by a lot. Or Lafayette, New York. But it's one of my favorite places, and we figured we'd stop since we were going through the area. This is your short for the week. Once you find a good stick and get it chewed down to the right size, you have to take it down and wash it off. A good stick is always nice and clean and smooth. You get the balance right, and then you're ready to hike with the stick. Come on.